Well, some people think to become a star singer, you have to go to Nashville or LA. Not anymore. In our special report tonight, ABC 27's Greg Angel takes us to Wakulla County, where the small town of Sopchoppy is making sweet music.
Once a bustling railroad town.
In the darkness I hear sirens call your name.
The folks of Sopchoppy are nowadays laying tracks of another kind.
To try and douse the flame. But in the ruins only ashes will be found. 'Cause if you leave, I'll burn this old house down.
We've got the vocal tracks laid out, we've got the guitars, lead.
For a stranger's hand when you feel it down.
Singer-songwriter Rick Ott runs From the Heart recording studio. Today, it's a full-time gig, taking up much of the space inside this historic building that Rick and his wife first used as a sandwich shop.
We kept the studio in the back, and after everybody got through it the day, we record at night. And then the recording started making more money than the food service.
Here in the hallway on the walls are just a few of the mere hundreds of albums Rick Ott has helped produce.
This is not all of them. There's a lot more.
Many of those songs recorded right in this room. Sopchoppy isn't that big of a town, population of only about 500, yet musicians come here to try to make their dreams come true, their dreams of one day making it big. And in that is a lesson from those who are already there, that to make it big, you really can begin right here in a small town.
And he said, you don't have to go to Nashville anymore, they'll come to you.
Rick Ott shares insight from Quincy native and Nashville recording artist Billy Dean.
There's a lot of talent down here, and you know, it used to be you had to go to Nashville, New York, or Los Angeles, you know, if you wanted to get in the music business. But nowadays, you just got to create a following. If you create momentum, the industry will come to you.
But whether fame and fortune comes calling, making music in Sopchoppy is really about something simple.
Just the enjoyment of it. People enjoy getting together and doing music.
Music made in a small town. Music made from the heart.
Someplace the kids don't shoot each other down.
In Wakulla County, Greg Angel, ABC 27 HD.